Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to recreate this beautiful glittery mess. As you can see, it sucks. But today we're going to be recreating the wreath without using my thumbs. Let's get to it. It has 4 different ribbons, as you can see, 1, 2, and then 3, and 4. And all this down here is mesh, purple and black spider webs, and black by itself. Everything has glitter on it, so it does get messy. This is all the items that we're going to be using right now. We have our ribbon. These are the 4 ribbons that we are going to be using. And again, guys, you can use them any different order, any color, however you want. We got pom-poms, orange and black, which are really easy just to pull off. They're really easy to pull off. Ribbon down. You can pull them off, cut them, wrap it around the wire, however you like. We got branches full of glitter. I love glitter, can you tell? We got tubes. A little decoration we're going to put in the middle of the wreath. And some detail here and there. And guys, the theme of this video is trying not to use my thumb making this wreath. Gonna get started. I'm already losing circulation.
Not too tight.
I know.
You're gonna take it off your fingers, it's gonna be purple. What happened here?
Try not to get it on my arm because I have hairy arms. Perfect. The tape though, but I don't need it anymore. Oh, yes, I drink.
"2,000 years later."
I think I can do this. So what I'm going to be starting with is the ribbon. So we're going to bring you next to me. And again, we're going to do all this using ribbon. I'm going to grab my 4 ribbons. And again, just as normal, take off the plastic. Alright, took off the plastic. And what I'm going to be doing is putting these on each end and these 2 in the middle. Just like that. You can leave. Yeah. So I'm just going to be placing them just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure that they're all even. And all I'm going to do right here is crumble them up. So again, wrap it around, hold it, and twist. Just like that. But you want to leave these two suckers right here. These two little, let me see, these two strings out. And because we are going to put them between the wreath. See how each of them have bars? We're going to use the 2 bars to put this inside and wrap them. So as you can see, we put it inside the middle bars and we just wrapped the silly straw around the bars so it could hold and be in place without moving anywhere. Okay, now for the fun part, we are going to decorate the wreath now. We're going to scrunch up all the ribbon just like this and then tie it in the middle. So we're going to do like half a little bow. So you do half the bow and we're going to tie it in the middle of the 2 middle bars. You might not be able to see it because it is dark. What you got to do is twist. Again, grab the ribbon, make the other half of the little bow. And if you want to get them all the same height, just use 4 of your fingers, put it right in, and that's how you can measure your ribbon. And then grab the end of the ribbon and then put it inside the middle. Grab your fuzzy straw again and then tie it.
Every now and then I get a little bit low.
Alright, so all I'm going to do is finish the rest of this and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that the wreath is all complete, all you got to do is go through each little section and start pulling out the ribbons. Just like this. Yep. This is like the most easiest part of the wreath, but I feel like without no thumbs, it makes it so much harder. It feels like super tedious. Okay, so so that one came off, so that's fine. Just stuff it back in there. Alright. Doesn't have to look perfect right now because we're going to add more items to the wreath. So after we're done adding everything that we need to add, we'll go back and fix what we need to fix. Alright, let's get to it. The rack. See the little opening. You're going to get the two pieces that are hanging down, put them together, and put them inside the hole. And from there, you just pull up. And that is all you gotta do. So, I do have these. Might just place some inside the wreath. But I'm gonna place it behind everything. You can see that. Just place it behind all these wires. Chill it. I'll go behind here. Put the other one inside of it as well. Just like that. No, I'm not gonna leave it like that. So what I'm gonna do is grab my fuzzy straws, 2 of them, and go around and tie them together so they won't move anywhere. If I still see that they're moving around too much, then I'll probably go in with the hot glue and fix it up here and there. Just spread them out. Okay, so now we'll get my fuzzy balls. I don't know if I should put my fuzzy balls. Like this. Okay. Do not pull the fuzzy balls. Lesson learned. I might just place them here and there. Ooh, that's cute. They say not to pull them and I'm still pulling them, but whatever. I never learn. So while he's doing that, I'm going to flip this over. I'm going to add my pumpkin to my wreath. The pumpkin does have little pockets, so I'm just going to use the pockets to tie it up to the wreath. Balls in. There's a ball. Okay, so I gotta fix the little things here and there because I did put the pumpkin in crooked, but it's okay. So. That orange stuff.
Where's the...
It's like gunk coming out of it too. And that is it. That is my wreath. That is my DIY wreath using no thumbs. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. Let me know down below what you thought about this video. There's going to be more DIYs for Halloween, knowing that Halloween is almost near. It's super hot and I think I'm sweating, literally sweating. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see y'all later. Bye.